Okay, dear 10th class, exercise 7.4, question number 24. The last question is secant theta plus 1 divided by secant theta minus 1 square root is equals to secant theta plus 1 by tan theta. This is our last question of this exercise. Write the question very carefully, and dear students, now look at this. My dear students, first of all, we will consider the left hand side because it is very difficult to prove this from the right hand side. Look at the right hand side. This is very compulsory for us that according to this we will get the change in this fraction. Dear students, you can observe that in this our left hand side, this is the secant theta plus 1 and divided by secant theta minus 1. But according to right hand side, both the numerator values of the left hand side and the right hand side both are equal, but without any square root. It means it can be removed if we will take the square of this value, because square will be cancelled with the square root. Okay, so that's why this hint provides us that if we will multiply this value, this numerator by itself, then we can get the square of this one, and then we can remove the square by square root. Okay, so that's why we will multiply our left hand side with we will multiply the values of the fraction of the left hand side with secant theta plus 1, and see we have add this one by ourselves. This is not the part of our question, so that's why we'll take its inverse also. जो काम हमने अपनी तरफ से खुद किया है तो बेटा we will take the inverse also, because when it will be cancelled out, then we will get the question. Okay, but why we have done this? Because you know that when we will multiply these two numbers, then we will get the square of this one. And according to a plus b, a minus b, we will find secant square minus 1. And now, my dear, focus on this. You know the identity 1 plus tan square theta equals to secant square theta. And that's why secant square theta minus 1 equals to tan square theta. So that's why we will change this into tan square theta. This is also the square and this is also in the square form. So square and square will be cancelled by square root. We will get secant theta plus 1 by tan theta, and you know that this is the right hand side of our question. You can observe this is the right hand side of our question. So we have proved, we have verified that this is the equal, these both sides are equal with each other, and it is very easy method. So dear students, now move to our index of today, exercise 7.3, question number 16, 20 and 24. And do classwork as homework on your math notebook 2 times. And remember one thing, my dear students, today alhamdulillah we have completed our exercise 7.4. My dear students, please do practice of this exercise, because this exercise has the some logical questions. So that's why it is necessary for us that we will do practice of this exercise again and again. Okay, my dear students, so take care of yourself. If you have any problem, please discuss with me. I hope so that you have no problem. God bless you. Allah Hafiz.